Evaluation of Water GEMS Software Modeling Loop and Tree Distribution Systems on Water Quality in Iraqi Supply Networks. By Samahar Jassim Mohammed. The aim of this study is to evaluate the GEMS software modeling loop and tree distribution systems on water quality in Iraqi supply networks. Evaluation of the water distribution system is very important to improve quality and quantity for this vital part of our life. There are a lot of Iraqi cities in Iraq that use a tree supply water distribution system. It is also an old supply water network, which produces poor water quality in this network. This paper has studied water quality in two system loops, and a tree net in one of Iraqi cities requires water GEMS. In loop system, minimized head loss and minimization of water age retention time in a network, also its effect on water flow rate. Water age is considered a major factor in water efficiency and quality of supply water network because of its effect on the physical and chemical water supply characteristics. This document's goal is to review the effect of the main type of supply distribution system in Iraq. The results of the analysis of two water systems show the efficiency of the loop distribution system of supply water networks compared to the tree distribution system ones in preventing water pressure drop, preserving water type, and preventing pollution. Where the dead ends in the tree network cause the deposition of pollutants, which increases the possibility of an increase in organic pollutants. Unlike the loop distribution system ones, which makes the water in constant movement, which prevents the occurrence of pollution and gives water pressure stability. These results are confirmed by laboratory tests for water in both cases loop and tree distribution systems of supply water networks, in addition to QWI, which showed that the loop system can maintain the quality of water and reduce the causes of pollution through the absence of this system from dead ends and the continuous movement of water. However, the water quality in the two networks was very poor because the network is old and the treatment system is ineffective. The use of engineering programs in design and analysis gives greater possibility and accuracy for designing and evaluating and operating the project, especially huge projects such as supply water network projects. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.